Hello, I'm here today to talk to you about a consent order, what they are, and do you need one as part of your divorce. My name is Ali Carter. I'm the Managing Director of Mediate UK. So a consent order is the only way to make your financial arrangements legally binding as part of your divorce. You can write it down on a piece of paper, you can sign it, witness it, you can verbally agree it, but the only way to have it legally binding and enforceable is to submit a consent order to the court, which you do once your decree nisi has been agreed. The court will make it into law if they agree with it. If they don't, they'll send it back, and it will come into effect once you apply for your decree absolute, or once the decree absolute has been granted. So a consent order, it shows the court what you have agreed by consent on your financial arrangements. It could include any ongoing payments between you, how you're going to divide up the family home, any other assets, and also it can include a pension sharing, a pension transfer form. That's the only way to legally transfer a pension as part of a divorce, is with a consent order. The consent order means that you must do it, you must carry out what you've agreed, even if you've already done it, and it also makes it irrevocable, so you can't change your mind in future. It can also include a clean break, and a clean break will have the advantage that in 5, 10, 20 years time, neither of you can make a claim against each other. If one of you was to do particularly well in business, have a lottery win, even potentially an inheritance, you could still make a claim against your ex-spouse many years after you've been divorced, unless you have a clean break consent order. They're usually drafted by a solicitor, and you can reach the agreement between yourselves. You can reach it through a solicitor-led negotiation. You can use a service such as ourselves to do it through negotiation or family mediation, or you can ask a barrister to tell you what you should do. But ultimately, you want to get to an agreement by consent and submit that to the court. You need to do a full financial disclosure, or at least have an understanding, show the court that you've got an understanding of what your property, assets, pensions and liabilities are. Mediate UK will do all this for you. We will do a fixed fee consent order and family mediation package, or we can do a fixed fee divorce negotiation package. Have a look at our website, mediateuk.co.uk. There's an opportunity there to book a free 30-minute consultation, and I can talk you through all the options that you have open to you to achieve a consent order. Thank you for listening today.